Hi there, this is Niaz again. In our last video, we discussed about how to install Brilliant File Organizer. In this video, we are going to show how to do the initial setup. So when you open the software after the installation for the first time, this is the window that you are going to see. It is asking for the product key. Enter your product key. This product key is not a valid product key. We have created only to show the demo. But enter your product key and click on Activate. And wait until the setup is done. Now you can see the expiry date, activated, license type, trial, etc. Close this one. The next step is you have to provide the initial storage directory of the system. So what it does is when you import your files into this Brilliance File Organizer, it does not update your original files at all. Your original source files remain as it is, but this software will copy your original files into its own folder structure. And that means that in your computer or in a network drive, you have to have a folder where you want this software to store its files. And this is the folder structure that it is talking about. Now let's just select a folder that we want. You can I have created, for this demo purpose, I have created my own folder here, but you can actually create your own folder anywhere you want. And after that, you just click on save, and that is done. So basically, you see the save button everywhere with each setting item here. So remember to click on individual items if you change anything. Now, auto import source directory, we don't have to set up anything for now. So what it does is, just an example, some of the scanners will send the scan documents to a very specific folder. And the Brilliance has a capability to listen for new files in that folder. So at the moment there is a new file, Brilliance will consume it. And this is the folder. And standard content indexing is Brilliance indexes contents of the supported files. OCR is image to text indexing. We'll talk about these other things later. Let's close this window for now. I will quickly go through some of the basics of the system. If we now go to the clients, we'll see that there is a client called root user here. So what this software does is, this is remember that this is a client-based system. That means you create clients and then you attach your files to individual clients. If you do not want to create more clients, that's fine, but the system creates a default client for you, and that default client's name is root user, and this is also the default user of the system. What it means is, when you start using the system, you do not have to log in. You are yourself a client and you are the root user. So now you see that just beside the root user on the right side, you have files, accounting, profile, etc. And as you understand that if you click on the files, you will see the files of the root user. You can also see from here, from the files tab, because we have not selected any client as of now. That means you are automatically working under root user. You see that the red colored folder here, what it means is red colored folders are actually the system folders. There are different system folders for different purposes. We have accounting for expense management. We have PDF tools. That means when you convert or merge your PDF files, where to save those. And then OCR, auto import, etc. The system manages those. You can have more detail again from the help document, but we will provide you with some more videos shortly. Just keep your eyes at it. Thanks for attending. Bye.